Hello student, myself Jitendra and today we will discuss about the RMS value, average value, form factor and peak factor for the chapter of 2 AC circuit, subject is basic electrical engineering. Now the content RMS value, definition, expression and RMS value of a half wave rectified AC. Average value, definition and expression of half wave rectified AC. Form factor and peak factor. Now the introduction RMS value. The full form of RMS value is the root mean square value. It is expressed by Vrms or Irms also. It is given by that the value of AC current and DC current passed through circuit for same time produce same heat energy. It is also defined as effective or virtual value also. Method of finding RMS value. There are two types of method of finding RMS value. First is mid-ordinate method and second is analytical method. Now the mid-ordinate method, the AC waveform is shown in figure. In y-axis the value is I and x-axis the value is theta. For sinusoidal waveform, the I equal to Im sin theta. Suppose omega t equal to theta, that is the strip and the area of that strip is that d theta, I d theta. So I equal to Im sin theta, mean of square equal to 0 to 2 pi I square d theta upon 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi Im sin theta का whole square d theta, then Im square upon 2 pi 0 to pi integrate sin square theta d theta. Im square upon 2 pi 0 to pi 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2 d theta, and we calculate this equation and we find the RMS value of current for the sine wave. So Im square upon 4 pi 0 to pi 1 minus cos 2 theta upon into theta equal to Im square upon 4 pi theta minus sin theta integrate of 0 to pi Im square upon 4 pi 2 pi minus 0, and mean of I square is that Im square upon 2. The RMS value of AC current is that mean of I square root of Im square upon 2 equal to Im upon root 2. Now the RMS value of half wave rectified AC. RMS current I equal to root of 1 upon 2 pi integrate of 0 to pi I square d theta equal to root of 1 upon 2 pi integrate of 0 to pi Im square sin square theta d theta, because I equal to Im sin theta for AC wave. Now root of Im square upon 4 pi 0 to pi 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta equal to root of Im square upon 4 pi theta minus sin 2 theta upon 2 0 to pi. Now root of Im square upon 4 pi to pi cancel, and Im upon 2 equal to 0.5 Im. The RMS value of half wave rectifier is that I equal to 0.5 Im. Now the average value, it is defined as the average of all instantaneous value of given alternating circuit. It is called average value. In other words, we can say it is given by that the value of steady current which transfer across the circuit and the sum charge transferred by AC quantity across the circuit in same time. It is denoted by I average and V average also. The area of half cycle is that for mid ordinate method for average value 0 to pi I d theta. Average value for passive wave is that current I equal to area upon base. The area of this strip is that 0 to pi I d theta and base 0 to pi. That is the time 0 to pi Im sin theta d theta and upon pi. Now integrate of this equation Im upon pi 0 to pi sin theta and d theta. Now Im upon pi 1 minus cos theta 0 to pi Im upon pi 1 minus cos pi minus cos 0. The value of the cos pi is minus 1 and minus plus. Cos 0 equal to 1. Then Im upon pi 1 minus 1 2 Im upon pi, and the average value is that 0.637 Im. Im is the maximum value of AC wave. Peak factor. Peak factor is defined as the ratio of maximum value to RMS value of alternating quantity. It is denoted by Ka. Ka equal to I maximum upon I RMS or V maximum upon V RMS. Ka equal to maximum value upon average value, maximum value Im, and RMS value root Im or Im की power 1/2 equal to 1.414. Peak factor is also called the crest factor or the amplitude factor. Now the form factor. Form factor is defined as the ratio of RMS value to the average value of an alternating quantity. That is denoted by Kf. Kf equal to Vrms upon V average or Irms upon I average. Kf equal to RMS value upon average value, and Kf equal to 0.707 Im, that is the RMS value of sinusoidal waveform, and average value is 0.673 Im, that is the average value of sinusoidal waveform. Calculate this equation and we find the form factor for AC wave is at 1.11. Thank you.